Hello guys, good morning. So today we are in my son's bedroom and I'm going to show you what I purchased in Primark, Temu, and Home Bargains, guys. Yeah, so anyway, I think I will start with I will just start with Primark and later on Temu. So this is like sell again as always. So the first item, just actually one, which is good because I just, roam around there. So in Primark, I grabbed this dress. What is this dress? What do you think? Yeah, I will try it on later, but it looks nice. I just don't know if you put it. So the original price of this is the remote I cannot 20 pound. Yeah, and then it's just 10 pound. So have 50% off. Yeah, it looks nice. Next, that is from the other branch, and then I went today, just keep this receipt just in case it doesn't, I don't like it. And then I went to another branch today and I saw this dress. So this is sequence and it's small, and I tried it on already in that branch and it looks nice to me. So definitely I will keep it because it's just so easy, guys. It's easy. They have still many, if you saw my videos, they still have many like this, medium, large, and this is actually cheaper because it's like from 25 pound and then now it's just 7 pounds. So it's really affordable and it's really good. I mean, look at that. I like it actually in person. Yeah, and then the length also, because normally Primark they have like so long dresses, but this one is really like fit to my height, which is just 5 feet. So definitely grab it if you are short like me. And next that I grab is this hat. This is just $4.50 and it's sell for 2 pound. So they have actually so many sale this time, guys. But this one actually it will be for my son because I don't normally use hat because I don't feel, I get headache when I wear. So yeah, I don't know, I get headache. So okay, let's just go to Home Bargains before, because I put it in the box. I purchased also something there that is like food like that. So this box definitely is from Home Bargains because it's cheaper there compared to B&M. B&M, they have boxes like this, 12 pound for 3 pieces. So this is the first item. I like it. Sonic. It's really it's just 6 pound, and I like it because you can have it in something in the down. Yeah, like that. And here, I don't know what should I put, like juices, like that. It's big because my son's lunch box now it's a bit small, so I have limited things to put, but this one is nice. 6 pound only. Oh, okay, the disadvantage of this to the one I have is like you don't have any for water bottle. Oh look, I'm just wearing it for a few minutes. I get headache already. I'm not really a hot person. I get dizzy. So this one, that is just a disadvantage of this. So I can just maybe put the water inside if I want to, like that. Next is this no helium needed 77 cm 53, the love like balloon for Valentine's Day. Next is I grabbed this oven safe glass and it's just 1.99 pound, 99 pence. Like that. It's so cute. They have also green. I grabbed this because sometimes I want to give to my son some snack, and then the glass container that I have here are like big, So this one, at least now I can give it to him. And okay, it's strong for 99 each, and then I also grabbed this candles. I think this is just £1. I don't know why, I just grabbed it because to have always extra here. Next is 15 egg for painting for my son for Easter, So yeah, I hope he would like to. I hope he liked it, this activity for Easter. And then this one, it's just £1. Actually, it's very cheap because normally the water bottle that I purchased is like £3, So this one is just £1. So I hope it's nice and it will not break easily. That one, and then 1.50 only for these socks. My son likes army like that, so this one is really nice. It's cheap actually. It's really cheap for socks. 150 only. Yeah. In Home Bargains, actually, they always have cheap items. Okay, and then this one, disposable bed mats, because to protect the mattress, so I always grab this. It's cheaper also in Home Bargains compared to Poundland, because Poundland they have like £1, but it's just, how many pieces is this? 10 mats, but in Poundland it's, I think, 4, something like that. It's less. Okay, so now we are in Timo. I just need to remove my address. Okay, so in Timo, I grabbed this. This is like you put in the glass so that your neighbor cannot see you. It will be like mirror in the glass, and then the neighbor cannot see you, but at night they can see you, so you have to cover it, really. So yeah, I forgot, I think £3 each I bought it, or £4 each. Yeah, I hope it's nice. It's not so much actually. Well, let's see in this if this is the size. Okay, so you need to cut it. Anyway, I'm planning it in the living room, because here it's not, look. Okay, so we'll try it later. And then let's see here. Okay, that's, oh my god, my address. And then what is this? Okay, so this one, it's magnet. It's too small because I want to be organized. This one, monthly planner, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like that. It's a magnetic, but it's too small, but maybe it's okay. I have whiteboard here, so I can use it. And then with actually I saw something else that they have also like holder, like or maybe I will just buy magnet whiteboard also. Yeah, maybe, because this one is magnet, so I can write, and then after that just leave it there, and also with the pen. Okay, so yeah, I'll try it hopefully. It's just too small, like A4. I saw in Amazon the one that is like bigger, but maybe that will do the, I think it will be fine. And this one is for my oil dispenser. It's too small. I don't like it. Yeah, it's too small, but this is the problem when you buy in Timo, because it's almost all are small. Okay, so like that, and then okay, and then okay, so at least it's secured. Yeah, it's secured, guys. It's just small. I prefer the bigger one, but yeah, so that you don't need to refill over all the time. It will do the trick. Next double-sided tape because I need it here. I have something to hang, but I don't have things. So this is, what else? And then this one is like for my remote. It's like, okay. So it's like, okay, so like you have the remote, you attach this, and then another one is you attach to the wall. So anytime you want to, you know, like put it, you can just do like that. It's so hard to explain. So you just do like that, so it will stay, you know, like that. Like, you know, I don't know how to explain it. Next is, okay, this one for the, like if you have hand towel or rug. So let's see, you have rug like this, and then you put the rug here and it will stay, okay, like that. But this one is a little bit heavy, not so heavy, and it will stay like that. Yeah, like that, guys. Oh, it's open, that one. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm going to school now to get my son, and yeah, I hope you're doing great, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye, see you next time. Thank you for the love and subscribe. Bye, bye, guys.